Instead of taking 10,000 steps, take a somatic stroll. It is just gone after sunrise. Sunrise, just before sunrise, is the best way to start your day. Just as the light's creeping up into the sky, infrared light has been found to be beneficial for us for releasing serotonin, our feel-good hormones. And I want to give you the number one way that your body feels vital and energized and strong. And it's not about walking 10,000 steps. It's how you feel when you're outdoors. And connecting to nature is absolutely essential for our well-being. We are nature. Our body responds to it really well. Our visual sense, when we're looking at patterns and space and light and color, oh my goodness, a feel-good sensation just arises. And in SomaSensing, we guide you to connect to your felt sense. So you want to be coming out every day, spending time out, at least for an hour, longer if you can. Of course, weather permitting. I mean, sometimes the darkness in winter can kind of feel like we just want to be indoors. But in SomaSensing, you learn how to connect to your fascia as your felt sense, and also how to listen, to cultivate your sensory awareness, your somatic awareness, to recognize how your learned patterns, your mind might be taking you somewhere, but your body definitely needs light and space and color. And, you know, we are nature, right? We are designed, our blueprint responds to nature's rhythm. So circadian biology is how our bodies respond to light. The early morning light at sunrise, and how when it gets dark, our body responds differently. And if we are not attuning, and if we are staying indoors in the mornings, and we're not attuning to our body rhythm, we can feel depleted in energy, out of tune. And really, our body is an energy processing, information processing, living system of nature. And learning how to tune in, you can begin to self-regulate. So instead of treating your body like a machine or a mechanism or a body of parts where you're just looking at walking for your physical fitness, you'll really be missing out on how to listen to your body as a whole. So a somatic stroll is all about attuning to your felt sense. And in SomaSensing, that's what we guide you to, your felt sense. It is the somatic way. How are you responding? Is it a feel-good sensation? And really, that is the heart of your well-being. And yes, movement is essential, and moving and mobilizing in your day, living life in motion is absolutely essential. Your body wants that, it loves that, but you don't have to add force or effort in your motion. You don't need to move your body in an exercise way. You can definitely connect in motion and explore your energy body. How does it feel? How energized do you feel? And there is new research on the way our body responds as a whole. So instead of looking at just your fitness level and some of the physiological measures for walking, we want to explore, how does it reduce the stress response? What are the hormones that we produce when we're outside and we feel good? So there's forest bathing has studies, and also when we look at shapes, they're called fractals, patterns in nature. If you're looking at patterns in nature, you look up at the trees and the sky and the colors too, the patterns and the colors. So the colors in nature are reflecting light, and the way that we experience the wholeness, when we expand our gaze, our body shifts. So if you're feeling, and just notice this, the next time you go for a stroll, outside. Notice whether, when you're walking, are you looking straight ahead? Where is your mind? Are you in your thinking? Are you wearing headphones, for example? And notice the difference when you connect to your body's felt sense. So in SomaSensing, we connect to our body's fascia. So when you feel stiff and stuck in your body, it's not your muscles, it's your fascia. Fascia is just one continuous web, and it's sensory. So stiffness, strain, if you're feeling restricted in your body, for example, it's on the inside. You might have a stress response, not knowing that you're holding strain. When you're taking a somatic stroll, how do you tune in and connect to finding a bit of inner ease? You want to soften the strain on the inside and take a stroll. And the stroll does not have to be slow. So when you soften on the inside, I can skip down these stairs, for example. I'm skipping down these stairs. And it's because my fascia is vital. It has tone. So we're looking at fascial tone. And right now, when I'm walking, I'm not trying to walk fast or walk briskly. The whole purpose of connecting to your body as a whole is to restore and recharge your body's energy. So your body is energy processing, it's information processing. So when you're stressed, it's going to be using energy in a particular way. It may even, if you're feeling fatigue, your body is in an energy conserving state. So there's a whole new approach of exploring our anatomy, where we're moving away from individual parts, like you need to strengthen your muscles, for example. Muscle strength doesn't come from force, it comes from how your body produces energy, right? You might be hearing the sea in the background. Yeah, it's beautiful. So taking that somatic stroll, I live near a coastal park, so sometimes I might go up just maybe to find some quiet up here. And where do you live? Are you close to a park? Do you come out? You really need to find a connection to nature. It's absolutely essential. So when you're coming out into nature, you want to be connecting to your biology as a whole. You are nature. You're not separate from nature. And so what do I mean by we are nature? So a body responds to light. Circadian biology is how living organisms in nature respond to sunlight. So we are designed to wake up with the sun and use our energy in the day, and then we come to rest. When the sun goes down, our body produces melatonin. It should make us sleepy. But because we're overstimulated and we go against listening to our body and how it's responding, we can get ourselves into dysregulation. So we begin to experience low energy, low vitality. And just by this one essential way of connecting to your body and coming outdoors in nature, it has to be in nature because nature has incredible patterns. So let's just continue. And even color, so and there's actually, when I'm outdoors, I'm connecting to my felt sense, but I'm also letting my gaze wander and expand. Just this one practice, oh my goodness, it's just such a beautiful day. Letting your gaze, I'm looking up at the sky and the clouds, and my visual sense is expanding. It's expansive. Feels so different to just looking down on the ground, being preoccupied with thinking what I need to be doing in my day. Oh my goodness, my body has an immediate response. The energy shift is immediate. And my fascination with fascia and understanding energy and vitality has really helped me to help others, connect with myself and help others, and notice how the energy has returned in my body. I've had chronic fatigue in the past, and I can't tell you how amazing I feel now. Honestly, it just feels, wow, it just feels so good. And and sometimes life is not always smooth, right? We do have moments and bumps in the road, and we have people we want to take care of, and sometimes that depletes us without noticing. And I found myself in chronic fatigue, and the number one practice is tuning into your body and coming out and connecting to nature. And nature doesn't have to be as it is where I am. Okay, I've got the sea in the background. Oh my goodness, it's so amazing. But those are the choices that begin to happen when you listen to your body. You will live a body-led life. Your body's wanting this. It's asking for this. And in SomaSensing, we help you to listen. And it doesn't mean that you're going to suddenly jump on a flight and go and live by the sea, but it does mean that you can find nature wherever you are. It could be a park, even if it's in a neighborhood that has trees and plants. The most important part of your journey is to notice, to pause, to notice, to become aware that your body needs nurturing. And there's a reason why we feel so good in nature. We're meant to, we're designed to. We have a blueprint that connects us to nature. We are nature. In fact, we're not connected. We actually are nature. And if we can listen to our body's natural rhythm, we can bring our body back in tune. And people who work with me say, oh my gosh, this is so simple. I can't tell you how many people say that. I just started a program called In Tune about a week ago. And there was someone on there saying, oh, this is just so simple. People have done, they've done so much to get to vitality. And I meet these people and they arrive into SomaSensing and they say to me, oh my gosh, this is, nature's way. Oh gosh, this is simple. It's how do you connect? And that's what we guide you to in SomaSensing. So where do you start? How can you start your somatic stroll? Number one is to just get out into nature and find what feels good. When you notice a feel-good sensation arise, notice if it's looking, attune your senses. Just take a moment to pause. Let your gaze wander. And that the pause is really important. If you're trying to look at something, it's different. Just let your body rest. Come to a resting state. You arrive, you rest, and you let your gaze wander. You can take a moment and then just notice the sensation. And then you continue on your walk, on your stroll. Right. So you definitely want a sense of space. Listen up for sounds. Pleasant. You want pleasant sounds. The sound of birds. I can hear the birds in the background. I can hear the sea. I can sense the light and space. So you want space, a sense of space, light, trees, quiet. You definitely want quiet. And to connect with how your body's responding to that. So that was my number one. If you really want to bring your body back in tune, it's all about listening. There's a way of listening and that's what we guide you to in SomaSensing. And if you want to learn more, remember there's free so let me know how that's landed for you, and below in the description there is the free guide to connecting to your body's felt sense and bringing yourself back in tune.